not. But the first thing you do is put the line through the hook, right? These are these great Brad's octopus hooks. I got this while I was on a fishing trip up in Oregon. I really like these hooks. Okay, so then wrap it around here like this. And then you're going to slide it all the way up. And that's about 15 wraps. I didn't actually count, but I think that that's about 15 wraps. Then take this, slide it through the eye again, pull it nice and tight, and that comes out with that beautiful knot like that.